Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. As you guys can see, there's a different car behind me today, and that is a long wheelbase Pajero. So yes, unfortunately today's modification won't suit short wheelbase Pajeros, but it will suit any Gen 4 long wheelbase Pajero. So it's very exciting guys. As you can see, we're going to be installing some Molle panels today. Now if you guys don't know what it is, it's basically going in the rear of your Pajero to add some extra storage or accessories to the panels and for easier access. So it's a very cool modification. I'll show you guys how to install it and also what the purpose is for these guys. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the cool thing about this kit is that it comes with everything. So all the panel removals for the actual screwdrivers and keys. And then as you can see, so you've got a left and a right panel. Now you want to reuse these two screws that you get with the removal of the handle. So it's very cool. It's like designed for those clips to go in as well. So that is very nice. So you're basically going to go on the outside and then just re-bolt it to the frame. Alright guys, so as you can see, that is all mounted up. So it's basically just the 3 screws. Just make sure you've got the spring washer and the normal washer in there. Don't worry, there's going to be a gap between it, but there can be flex. But what you want to do now, so this is the panel that's going to be mounted right over there. Okay, so basically what you need to do is you get your spacers. These are the spacers. Go from the back, screw them up. Now as you can also see, it comes with tape. So this is one way to do it. These are very good double-sided tape. So you can either stick it onto the guard, or there's additional holes where you can bolt through if you want a more fixed one. But I'm obviously demonstrating today on another car, so I'm not gonna stick it down or anything. And also personally, if it was my car, I would bolt it down as well, just for that extra security. But basically what's going to happen is this panel is just going to go underneath like that there. Then you just press this panel against it. There you go, all the holes line up. There you go, so that's how it's going to sit. So yeah, that is pretty cool. Righto guys, so as you can see, that is what the finished result will look like. I would definitely recommend adding or making the additional holes into the panel by itself and screwing it down just for that extra security, because the panel sort of needs to flex against it. But yeah, that's the finished product. It is all aluminium steel as well, powder coated, which is very cool because it's strong and it's nice and light. So yeah, I'm very stoked about it. That's what it will look like. It is very sturdy as well once it's all mounted up, and you still have access to open your rear window. So there you go, so nice and easy to close and open it. And yeah, so I'll quickly put the other one up, and then I'll also talk about one special feature that this pair has that others on the market doesn't have. So yeah, let's do that and I'll tell you more about it. Awesome guys, so that is all fitted up right now. So as you can see, left hand side is up, and by the way, I'm just using this ladder as a demonstration. Think of this as a shelf for now, right? So there you go, there's another one. So very simple to install guys, literally just the 2 bolts, and then these 3, remember it flips over that, and then just the ones down the bottom, so the spaces in between, and then just 1, 2. And then obviously the ladder is just to press it against as well, but I would highly recommend just bolting it to the actual frame for extra strength. But yeah guys, so think of this as a shelf. That is the one thing that this kit has that others on the market doesn't. So it is adjustable, so you can make it go up, you can make it go down, because there's plenty of holes for adjustment, so that makes it very good. Obviously I've been using this one, so there's now a few marks on it sort of thing, so I will discount this kit if you're interested. I'll mark it off by $100, and you can just give it a respray and it will be ready to go. So yeah guys, that is very good. So everything was provided. There's still heaps of screws left as well, if you want to, you know, screw something else to it. But I'll quickly chop it on the screen as well. So this is sort of what the purpose is. So as you can see, you can mount multiple accessories to it, and just basically gives you extra room to mount your accessories instead of having it, you know, just anywhere in the boot sort of thing. Awesome guys, well there you have it. That is the Molle panels for the Pajero. I'm very excited to send it out to you guys, and let me know what you think about the kit. I'm very stoked in it, but yeah, it definitely sucks that I can't put it in the short wheelbase for some extra storage, especially this shelf. Putting some stuff onto it for extra storage, that would have been handy. But anyway, I don't have storage at my home, so it's going to be shipped from overseas. I'm going to pay express shipping for you guys, so it will only take about 2 weeks max to arrive at your place. So that is still pretty good. And yeah, that's mainly for the reason it takes a lot of room, all these boxes. I've only purchased 4 boxes, and it's literally my whole garage now. It's like completely full. So yeah guys, it's now available on budget4x4life.com. Check it out, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.